Happy Friday. I hope that you are doing well with your asynchronous classes today and that you attended all of your synchronous ones following your schedule. So, you've come to the social skills homepage and hopefully clicked on Friday to access the module. So, here's what you're going to do. You're going to follow the instructions in the slides. This video is linked right here. Hopefully, you've clicked on it. You have two things you need to do today. So you're going to follow the assignment that Ms. Keisha made for the Black Artists in American History, and you're going to review your new schedule that's going to start next week and answer the Canvas discussion questions. So here's the assignment set up by Ms. Keisha. You click here and then you follow the lesson that she has set up, and you submit your quilt here once you've finished. The next thing I want you to do is just make sure you've reviewed the schedule, and then you're going to answer the discussion question that's part of this module. So, do you understand your new schedule starting on Monday, March 1st? Do you have any questions about the schedule or need help figuring out your schedule? And how do you feel about the schedule changes? So again, these are located in the module, so you can get there by either by clicking on Friday or by clicking on modules on the left-hand side. And you'll click right here. And you'll answer those discussion questions. I hope you have a great weekend.